We'll guide you through how to make slide transition in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click the Windows Start button on your computer to begin the process. Next, type Adobe Premiere in the search bar, and when the application appears in the results, click Open to launch it. After the program opens, click on New Project to create a fresh workspace. Enter the project name as you like so you can easily identify it later. After that, click Browse to choose where your project will be saved. Select a folder for the project storage location, then click Select Folder to confirm your choice. Once all the settings are complete, click OK to finalize the project setup. To start working on your project, double-click the Import Media to Start area. Find the image or video file you want to import into Premiere Pro, then click Open to bring it into the project panel. Next, click and hold the imported media, then drag and drop it onto the timeline to begin editing. To cut your media, use the razor tool by pressing the letter C on the keyboard. Then click on the timeline where you want to split the clip. After the media is split into two parts, click the icon with two arrows pointing to the right, and then select Effects to open the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Push to find the transition effect. Then click and drag the push effect to the middle of the cut section between the clips. To adjust the effect, switch back to the selection tool, then click on the push effect on the timeline so you can modify it. Finally, adjust the slide effect duration according to your needs to achieve the desired transition timing and smoothness. Make sure you review the transition by playing back the timeline to ensure it looks natural and matches your editing style. If the movement feels too fast or too slow, continue adjusting the duration until it fits smoothly between the clips. You can also reposition the transition slightly along the cut if needed for better visual flow. Pay attention to how the clips connect, ensuring there are no abrupt jumps or unwanted gaps. Take your time to experiment with small adjustments, as subtle changes can greatly improve the overall quality of your edit. Once you are satisfied, your transition setup is complete and ready for further editing or export.